Hello, this is George Senda, the real, authentic, official, original, one and only, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no imposters or substitutes or commentators. And here we have Mega Burgh unboxing. I'm tired of saying all the other ones. It's super and all of that. Okay, here we go. This is not what I was expecting. That hasn't come in yet, and it's an experiment. And I want to see some say that what I want to do will not work. I believe that nothing technological will not work, given enough equipment and money and time. Okay, this is the other thing. I already had one of these, but I lost the power thing for it or something, so... Here we go, the mini display port. This is an eBay item. Mini display port to HDMI, VGA, and DVI, which means that the MacBook this iPad is sitting on, in theory, will work on HDMI. So we will try that in the next day or two. I'll have to take the HDMI cable off the Westinghouse, hook it up to the Sony. There goes Fuzzy trying to climb over to the refield of the previous video. Let me get this open. When the MacBook gets fixed, I can hook it up to the Sony or the Westinghouse, and so there it is. HDMI, VGA, DVI. Maybe this will work. I have an HDMI. No, I need a DVI converter cable, which is what I'm waiting for next. So this will fit into the MacBook. So we will see later on if I can connect the Mac to the HDMI and see what happens. I don't know if I might have to mirror it or what, but we will see. So, nice cover thing there. And, in fact, this VGA, I don't know if that will go VGA to, yeah, if you got a VGA, maybe it worked old style machines to an HDMI. I don't know. All right, throw that out so Fuzzy can walk by unencumbered. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet in an afternoon or evening. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. And stay safe out there, and I'm going to go have something to eat. Go down and feed Mama Cat and Kitten, and sit with my magazines, which you'll see in the last video. Bye-bye for now, and I'll see you tomorrow, as something else should be coming in. And if Kathy ever shows up, I will go up to Sacramento and get the other iMac, the 2009, and they told me it would be $84 or $94 to clean it out and get it up and running. Then I'll have a working Mac, thank God. And the sound will work, and hopefully the CD will work, the DVD player, and all that stuff. But when we'll get on the internet, trying to find a table that's 24 inches wide that I can put the Apple Cinema display on. One last thing. A certain person, I'll call him Mr. Podcast. He's right when he says a bunch of people on a site criticize and talk about a senior they've never met. And I'm referring to me, of course. And he thinks it's terrible. They've got nothing better to do on sewer gab except swim in the currents. All right. Catch you later. I'm having fun trying to get one device to work with another device. It's always a challenge. It'd be nice one day if I'd have help, though. But I keep beating a square peg into a round hole until it works, because I'm determined to get this stuff to work one way or the other. Bye-bye.